Hello students, how are you? I hope you are fine and you have done the chapter 6 animating text and objects. You all have done the theory parts and the practical part of this. In my last week video, I have given you one assignment. You have to do the project work and you have to make the slides on the given topic that is in your book. Diversity like this I have given you. I hope you have done and that is completed, and now you are very much familiar with the MS PowerPoint. Now, today we are going to do the bookwork of this chapter, but before doing the bookwork, we will do the just review of this chapter, quick review of this chapter. And we have done these 5 things in this chapter: animation, transition, sound, action button, and import data from MS Word. What was the animations? Just within one line we will do the review of it, and after that we will do the bookwork. What was the animations? When you are giving some special effects to the text and the objects that is inserted in a slide, that is known as animation. Next is transition, when there is a one slide and the other slides, and in between if you want to give some special effects from one slide to another slides, that is known as transition. क्लियर? एनिमेशन एक स्लाइड्स के अंदर जो टेक्स्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं, अगर उसमें कुछ स्पेशल इफेक्ट्स देने हैं, दैट इज एनिमेशंस. और एक स्लाइड और दूसरी स्लाइड्स में जब हम मूव करते हैं तो जो इफेक्ट्स हम बीच में देते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज द ट्रांजिशन. नेक्स्ट इज साउंड. We can make our PowerPoint presentation more interesting with inserting some sounds effects, with recording our voice, and with inserting some music in it. So this is through this sound effects. Next is the action button. There are some special button in it which are used to link one slide to the another slide. Plus this action buttons are used to play something, and you can give some events on this action buttons also. So this is action button. Next is import data from MS Word applications, and you can import some data from the other application like MS Word, MS Excel, any applications. You can also insert the data of that application into the PowerPoint slides. So this, how we can do this? This is already cleared in your practical sessions. So we have discussed these 5 points, these 5 points in this chapter, and I think that is totally clear to you. Still you are having problem, you can contact me at any time. Now I am going to start the bookwork of this chapter, and I will also send the PDF of this bookwork of this chapter to you. Come with me for the bookwork. Yes, now we are starting filling the blanks of the chapter 6 animating text and objects. Now the first filling the blanks is: dash are the special effects you see when one slide changes to another slides in a slideshow view. When we are changing from one slide to another slides, then what special effects we can give? We have already read in our chapter, that was the transition effect. जब एक स्लाइड और दूसरी स्लाइड्स के बीच में जो इफेक्ट आता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? दैट इज नोन एज द ट्रांजिशन इफेक्ट. नेक्स्ट इज सेकेंड इज एनिमेशन इफेक्ट्स कैन बी अप्लाइड ऑन बोथ डैश एंड डैश ऑन अ स्लाइड. जो एनिमेशन इफेक्ट्स है वो हम किस पे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं? एक स्लाइड्स के अंदर देयर आर so many things we have included in our slides. For example, text, for example, images, for example, videos, for example, any image, anything which you have inserted in your chart, which you have inserted in a slides. So all these things are known as the objects. So animations we can apply it on both. Whatever you have writing in the slide, it means that is text, and whatever you have inserted in a slide. So animation can be applied on both text and objects on a slide. Now the third is dash is a ready-made button for defining hyperlink on a slide. We have Then a practical of action button. What's the use of the actions button? When you have inserted the action button, then you can create a hyperlink on a slide, and you can use these buttons for the forward button and for backward buttons. So this is the main use of the action buttons for playing anything. So action button is just a ready-made button. Matlab you have to just insert the buttons and you have to apply an event on this. And this also gives a hyperlink on a slides. If you want to open any slides, then by clicking on this you can start that slides. So this is creating a hyperlink on a slides. Now the fourth filling the blanks is, it is essential to connect the dash to the computer while recording your sound. When you want to insert your sound, then you have to apply a button to record a sound. And what you have to use to speak or to record your sound, that is the microphone. What is the main thing that is essentials when you are recording your sound is that is a microphone. You have a microphone, then you can record your sound. And the fifth is, dash button is present on the start slideshow group. Whenever you will click on the slideshow group in your in this PPTs, in this Microsoft PowerPoint, then the first button which you will see, that if you want to start the slideshow, then from beginning या from between या from last it will show the button. तो मेन सबसे पहला बटन जो स्लाइड शो ग्रुप पे है, डैट इज़ द फ्रॉम बिगनिंग. मतलब इफ़ यू वांट टू स्टार्ट द स्लाइड शो फ्रॉम बिगनिंग, फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट स्लाइड्स, then this will be show from beginning button is present on the slideshow group. Now the next is, sixth is, click on the dash button to start the sound. Whenever you are starting a sound, whenever you will start a sound, तो which button you have to click? Then you have to click the play button to start a sound. अगर आपको कोई भी sound आपने insert कर दिया है, music insert कर दिया, तो उसको start करने के लिए firstly you have to click on the play button. So these are the filling the blanks of this chapter. Now we will move to true and false. Now next the true false are, first is, action buttons can be used to link any other application to the current slide. In the filling the blanks we have read about the action button are used to create a hyperlink between the slides, and hyperlink is also link any other applications to the current slides. मतलब we can link another slide to the current slide also, plus we can link any other application, whether it is MS Word application, any Excel, any applications also we can add on in our PowerPoint. So this is true, that action button is used to link any other application to the current slide. Second is, we can add sound to the text or graphics in a presentation. We have read about all these things also, कि there are text and there are some graphics in a presentations, और हम उसके बीच में sounds भी attach कर सकते हैं, हम बाहर से भी sound डाल सकते हैं, plus we can also record our own sound also. So this will be also true. Next is, third is, video clips can be added to a slides by selecting the home tab. वीडियो क्लिप्स कैन बी एडेड टू द स्लाइड्स बाय सेलेक्टिंग द होम टैब. कि होम टैब पे क्लिक करके क्या हम वीडियोज़ अटैच कर सकते हैं? नो. इफ़ वी वांट टू इंसर्ट अ वीडियो, देन वी हैव टू क्लिक ऑन द इंसर्ट टैब, नॉट अ होम टैब. सो दिस ऑप्शन विल बी फॉल्स. Next is, we can choose transitional sound effects from the transition sound drop down arrow. Yes, whenever you are inserting a transitions, then there is a also button. You can see there is a sound button, and after clicking on this sound button, ट्रांजिशन के बीच में आप एक साउंड भी अटैच कर सकते हो. बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस आएंगे एंड यू कैन चूज़ एनी ऑप्शंस फॉर इंसर्टिंग द साउंड अकॉर्डिंग टू योर choice also. So this is also true. So these 4 true and false, first is true, second is true, third is false, and fourth is true. Now we will do the next one. The fifth true and false is transition effects give motion to the text and the picture. Whenever you are inserting a transition, then what's the use of the transitions? That is a effect that is between the two slides, but here it is written it gives a motion to the text and the pictures. If we want to give the motion to the text and pictures, we can give it through a animation, not a transition. So the answer of this will be false. Now the sixth is media group is present on the insert tab. Yes, whenever you want to insert some media, like you want to insert some audio and the video, that is present in the media group, and media group is through the insert tab. So this is a true. Media group is present on the insert tab. The speaker icon on a slide cannot be moved or resized. Yes, एक स्लाइड पर जो स्पीकर आइकन है हम उसको मूव कर सकते हैं, रिसाइज नो, we cannot resize it and we cannot move it. Where it is present, where then here it will be fixed. So the answer of this, the speaker icon on a slide cannot be moved and the resized. It is cannot be moved or resized. आप उसको मूव कर सकते हो. I have speak wrongly कि स्पीकर आइकन को हम कहीं भी यू कैन मूव इट, यू कैन मूव हेयर एंड देयर, एंड प्लस यू कैन size it also. So that is false. Now the MCQs are first is transition effects can be seen in dash view. Whenever you have inserted the transitions, if we use the slide sorter view or simple notes view, then the transition will not be shown to you. Whenever you start the slideshow, then you can see the transitions, because when the slides are coming one by one after another also. Next is dash effects can be added to objects on a slides. ऑब्जेक्ट्स पे हम कौन सा इफेक्ट डाल सकते हैं? ट्रांजिशन इफेक्ट्स तो होता है वन स्लाइड टू अनदर स्लाइड, एंड द एनिमेशन इफेक्ट्स इज टू द ऑब्जेक्ट्स एंड द टेक्स्ट दैट आर इंसर्टेड इन अ slides. So animations can be added to objects on a slides. Next is the recorded sound files are assigned the extensions. Whatever sound files you will record in this in your own voice, then what will be its extension? Its extension will be C.WAV. The third answer is WAV. This is the third answer. Answer of the third MCQs is C, that is .WAV. And the fourth MCQs is the animation pane button is available on the dash tab. Animation button कहाँ पर available होता है? That is on the animation tab. Whenever you will click on the animation tab, then it will show so many animations, and you can insert any animations to the text and objects in your slides. This was all about your MCQs. Now we will move to application based questions. Now we are doing application based question. Here I have written the answers of this. Now I am reading the questions, and then you can see the answer of this. First question is, the teacher has asked Kabir to open a blank slides and write a paragraph on save the environment. He is also being given instructions not to use any text placeholder in it. Suggest him that how he can enter the text on a blank slides. Whenever you will open any slides, then there is a placeholder. What was the placeholder? That is the dotted box on which you can write down anything, and that is the, but teacher has asked to Kabir that he will not use any placeholder in it. Then how he can insert and how he can write in this? If you want to write something in the slides except the placeholder, then you can use the text box, and when you will insert the text box, then you can write on it. Then firstly you have to insert the text box, and how you can insert is click on the insert button, then go to the text box, and that text box will be shown in the slides, and then you can write on it. This is the answer of the first question. Now the second question is, Priya has made a project on child labor a curse with 20 slides in it. प्रिया ने एक प्रोजेक्ट बनाया 20 स्लाइड्स का on a topic child labor a curse. She wants to import the data from the Microsoft Word file, and he wants to use another application, that is Microsoft Word, in it. Then how he can use the application and how he can complete his task. So we have done in the last topic in this chapter, in our practical session, how we can import the data from the Word. So here we have to write down that sequence, that how we can import the file from the Word. Firstly, you will click on the view button, then सेम प्रैक्टिकल में जो आपने किया था यहाँ पर वही आपने एक सीक्वेंस में लिखना है. क्लिक ऑन व्यू बटन, देन स्लाइड सॉर्टर व्यू विल कम. नाउ गो टू द होम स्लाइड, होम बटन, क्लिक ऑन द न्यू स्लाइड, सेलेक्ट द स्लाइड फ्रॉम आउटलाइन ऑप्शन. सबसे लास्ट में जैसे आप न्यू स्लाइड पर क्लिक करते हो, लास्ट में ऑप्शन आता है सेलेक्ट द स्लाइड्स फ्रॉम द आउटलाइन ऑप्शन, देन यू विल सेलेक्ट इट. नेक्स्ट, उस जैसे ही आप उस पर क्लिक करोगे एक डायलॉग बॉक्स ओपन हो जाएगा, दैट वाज द इंसर्ट डायलॉग बॉक्स. उसमें से जो भी आपकी वर्ड में फाइल है उसको ब्राउज़ करो और उसको सेलेक्ट करो, एंड व्हेन एवर यू विल सेलेक्ट दैट फाइल ऑफ योर word file, then click on insert button, and that will be inserted in your slide sorter view, and you will see a new file of Microsoft Word, and that will be imported in your slides. So these are application based questions. These are all about the work of the chapter 6 which we have done, and I think it's all are clear to you. Still you have any query about this, you can send any message on my WhatsApp. You have to do the book work in your book only, not need to write down in your notebook. I am sending the PDF, I am sending a image of the answers of the Word file also, and you can complete your book work. So this was all about. In my next sessions we will do the question answer of this chapter, and please do the practical. I think it will be clear to you, and you all have done the practical of this session about this chapter 6, which topics I have told you about this, and you all have done the practical of it. Thank you and have a nice day.